Hello, and welcome to Calibrating a Product on your TCS3000 electronic register. Today we will learn how to calibrate an existing product on the TCS3000. In order to access with the weight and measure settings on the TCS3000, we must first remove the calibration cover, which is located right here on the side of the TCS3000. After you've removed the cover, you'll need to back out the calibration screw about 3/4 of the way. You don't need to fully remove it, but just back it out a little bit. Once you've backed out the calibration screw, we will need to access the system menu. To access the system menu, you'll push and hold down the shift key and mode key. This will allow you to go into the menu. We will use the navigational down arrow to scroll down to system menu and then to W and M settings. Under weights and measure settings, we can select numerous products that we can change. We will select products and then we will select recalibrate product. If you have more than one product set up in your TCS3000, this is where all of the products will be. So select your product that you wish to calibrate. When you've selected your product, we will then go down to begin recalibration. Once you've selected to begin the recalibration of the product, you'll be prompted with a menu just letting you know that you need to make sure that the flow rate is 100%, as that's what the register is going to calibrate it at. In order to start calibration, you will press the start key. As the register is counting the gallons going into the prover, note that the gallons on the register may not be accurate as it is not a calibrated product currently. Once the prover hits the mark, the 100-gallon mark, you will push the stop key down, which will stop calibration on the register. When you get your reading from the prover, you'll enter that on the calibration volume screen. So if you ran 100.1 gallons, type in 100.1 and press enter. The TCS3000 will do all of the calculating for you and give you the K factor, which is located at the bottom right of the screen. Once you have reviewed the information on the calibration summary, we'll push the enter key. You'll then be prompted if you'd like to run a test run. We recommend running a test run just to ensure that you get the proper amount into the prover to make sure that the calibration is accurate. In order to begin the test run, you'll hold the shift key and press the start key. You'll then begin flowing product into your prover. Once it hits the mark, you push the stop key on the register, which will end the delivery. You'll then verify your amount flowed with what you have in the prover, just to ensure that everything is accurate. In order to exit this, you just push the start key again. You have now calibrated a product on the TCS3000 electronic register.